Me did the Isaac Jumpo, but me family the great sample and bring one man come when you too much G8. Too much G8, more too much. Namen so me I'm more fire.
Fellow Ghanaians, me can't fellow Ghanaians, they are doing about him. Me can't fellow Ghanaians, they and about him. The about him, se wo hwe me sisi ya. Eye yankasa yem president. Nana Addo dankwa Akufo-Addo. Abra COVID-19 eba so ene tie fellow Ghanaians. Ene fridge mu nsemo e de bebre wo no. Eye COVID-19 hu nsemo e saase e ba ya. Ekofo bi dwen se ye refi nsem bi a ekoso. But ye kai. Ye ba be kai mo ne. Na ansa na ebe konsem no so no mekoso e kai wo se dade da nyina ye de nsem a eye enkurasesem ebo bi ni mu afa omodwen se eye normal. President so na kan say we are now living in a new normal. Enye bi wo ho a enye proper. But ye fan say eye normal. Yen ye bete wo say eye enkurasesem. Me di ni Obofour Michael. Me se wo shama bonten na o pese o frame na me de akoma page so a. Frame ye fie sana na. Afie sana na me je so kama kama. E na wo hwe de me de ashama no yi a. Aha, ye fe the COVID protection. Nose mask. Enne sansem we nyina no. Ye be bobo so. Na ansa na ye be ko ye nsem e hye fridge mu no. We ko so e kai wo say aha e too much GH. Too much GH. Juma die se de bia wo pese wo hwe a. De pese wo ye mamia ne say so obi na say e ma wo sakran ya. Mesrew subscribe to the channel. Say the beya e tumu a. Wo ubetimi anya no hwe bi. Uso hwe wi a no sia ma wunia. Comment and say like e wo the comment section and I said the like button no. Ubetimi a like na bibia akola nim kama kama e de amayen. Na answer na no. Yen kwasesem for the day no. Wey nyen kasa me editor e na share that the breme. Say enema bi we yen kwasesem. But kofo bi nim say normal. Anything obi wo ho a woni ne yire ana se woni ne boyfriend ana woni ne kunu enya asem e wo fie mo ka asem na wie ne se asem na si ye se ansi eduru we na mo kokoda na wo ba no ase nika me kan so we ma se we nkwasesem nkwasesem so woni be ma what sika yo ho ade ana boyfriend na offense we serious boyfriend ani ne ti na maka asem awie se asem no se fodie ba mu se bimdie ba mu na wo koda wasa asenika mami nkurasesem je nkurasesem no na moaw we are now living in a new normal. It is so feel say woni be ma na nya asem bi na mo be kan mo kan se de se na fata na wo wi a udru dem a wo de o si dan saa. So we say 90 air sex na de da. So na no kwa na also bo good night powder. Na de koda. Na nsam mitimi ye kama kama. Aso ye hie o. Ye pese bibia aye normal. Eno ene enkurasesem a ekofo bebre ya omudwen se do mo ye no eno no omude esevu omu relationship ana so ma ware. Madam, enkurasesem. Tell you enkurasesem. Wey any enkurasesem for the day. We try me ba sisi na we try ba fellow Ghanaians any day to aso. Yaba fellow Ghanaians ato anibre COVID-19 ay real. COVID-19 coronavirus ay real. So when you want me creature me see ay real. Obi tifie de obi kan say enya no kore fine. De wo research awa ya wa hunu no enka wa. Let me give you a little analysis on COVID-19. COVID-19 no e shase no e shase e wo China. Enuti e na Donald Trump almighty Trump e ba be ka say e China virus no. All can win in the Oka. Starting from ending of November, echo December. Till year, echo December. Now, see December 2019. See December 2019. Addo mo ye satisfy say ampa there is virus we are and no about betena ekum krofo. Eno ena omutimi ejitu mu say ampa eye COVID-19. Na tieniye coronavirus December 2019. Eno any the short form I the mouth say COVID-19. Na tieniye me makacho say se fridge mu ene yiba nya ba be kan ho asema kiro na watie ni yie na kofo bi dwen se bi wo a ye rafi ye kai pa ye kai hwe mamika se bi kiro COVID-19 ba na China fo nim se ye fe ade bi SARS na SARS no e yo muntam kese a China uboso a e wo se ye se wa konfo enu ne ma the first doctor oh discover asaya no e ma omde ne koto prison asaya no kochi wo prison wa ye yi ni ba hospital odi be wuye a China for so nti akoye demonstration asa demonstration no so kofa so e ma se wo ye ne no ebe fra China for nyina e se me se free na me yi bro I want to give you this analysis say be ya obo say enema bi wo wa esi now we are done with China. Let's come to Ghana. Let's come to Ghana. Esasiye ya we esasiye. Ya ti Ghana ha. Na newscasters bebre air report wa. Oh ya bi si China. Ya bi si China. Ya bi si China. Ya bi si China. Asa agro. Enso na ya abro. Dada kid ne kan. O se asa agro. Enso na ya abro. Na ye bi ye ho ankasa abro. Abro ye nim sa ade na si. A ye hwe ne fe na eba. China yadie, China yadie, China yadie. Now, yadie ni yendetie. But do you know the saddest thing? We all got to realize, say, if we are mindful for so, and a real crobim. COVID no, sani yeti asiye. It's China. Omo public transport. Omo public gatherings no. They call a shot. I'm the lockdown to baby. But open call me ma. I don't know China for measures for mutekino. Now a courier said WHO for say Obia a crowd of force obey to be COVID. And say we lock it down. Beautiful. Now Ghana, a sovereign country. You cannot dispute that fact. A sovereign country. And you need airport here, Juma. Your first COVID cases was imported cases. Alcohol for the trouble by Urefia make cow. Your person analyzing you may be near who said never be Massa, we are not joking in this country. And we are serious as a nation. And people are working. People are working. And we also keep people on their working toes. I'm telling you, I have too much GH. Subscribe and share. Me say subscribe, next share. For comment bra. And only idea hear me. Now make us handsome way. So we fear me Kyle. Okay, the first timer president. Ebe first COVID update for the nation. Do you remember? Obey on the 12th March 2020. And now His Excellency Nana Addo Ekufuado. The first update on COVID cases. And one show on the 16th March. On the 16th March. And an Addo a bad thing. I did lockdown bread Ghana for. I did lockdown bread Ghana for because now the cases was rising. Now a coso. Now a coso. A coso. Nani number 100 though. Ni 100 in Pomo Blue. Now they lock down by. We fear me Kyle. You to two schools. Public transport. You say, oh, taxi ya. You funny put 2 as a 3. Plagia, na bobo ya. You funny put 1. And come ya tinafie, mpie, tinafie. People were in their homes, operating from the home to their offices. Opie okromua. How any the greater Kumasi. I'm telling you history. Nene kao. How any greater Kumasi. Abra na COVID cases are abano. A certain region. Kuwa record no COVID case. Then obuase. But greater Kumasi, you're locking down. No blame you on your COVID. You're locking Kumasi down. No obuase for you, Juma. Yeah, kaya hunsembi. And may you hypocrite. You pay your ℁omb. You pay your ℁omb. During this COVID time here, and Crawford said them no pie, said them no pie, said them no pie, you pun Crawford. The people get cheer as soon as come. You pun homo. Why we show video? You boa. So what kai? Ya bu kwa. And some se feed me say kan wasem. And some se feed me say kan wasem. Ka answer na no. Yanko show video a. Na nado eye ya odi Ghana for e ko share dem. Yanko hesa video no. Na yenhwe as at that time case ana wo ho. Ah ye dey lock it down. Yanko hesa video no message here.
Fellow Ghanaians, I've come into your homes again this evening to provide an update, as I promised, on the measures taken by government to combat the coronavirus pandemic. You may recall that on Wednesday, 12th March 2020, when I first spoke to you directly on this matter, I announced the first raft of enhanced measures taken in response to the pandemic. At the time, there had been no reported confirmed case of the coronavirus in Ghana. Since then, 6 confirmed cases have been announced, all of persons who recently traveled into the country. Advisories on how to manage the developments have also been announced by the Ministries of Health and Information. Public education is being intensified to ensure that citizens are well advised on preventive measures. Earlier today, Sunday, the 15th of March, 2020, I chaired a meeting of the Interministerial Committee on Coronavirus Response. After deliberations, I've decided, in the interest of public safety and the protection of our population, to review the public gathering advisories earlier announced as follows. Firstly, all public gatherings, including conferences, workshops, funerals, festivals, political rallies, sporting events, and religious events such as services in churches and mosques, have been suspended for the next 4 weeks. We are determined to do whatever we can to prevent the spread of the virus and protect the population. All the measures that have been announced will be subject to constant review and enhancement if necessary. Fellow Ghanaians, these are not ordinary times. So let us all put our shoulders to the wheel, and I'm confident that together, by the grace of God, we shall overcome this challenge. May God bless us all and our homeland Ghana and make her great and strong. I thank you.
Macau, 4 weeks. 4 weeks. And another say, Opa was abe extending. Was abe extending. So what is this your refi? What is this your refi? You could say them and kofo bobna. ana bie yo na bie yo na bie yo ye wo e kom die yo den die sa covid bie no mu na ye teche anuane ebi mu sit omu nsu wo parliament e covid anuane ye eteye ka chem se meboa minimum pibia mene ne kasa so Obofour me de covid asem de se covid asem ti na obe frame ya ba program so amen kasa na head metal position ni kwa nyina because na minim say me so Ghana for took me for granted and no one should sit and so onye member of parliament bio because of covid and 20 what is say refi also refi me kayo me kajo say some se free was say e kan wasem anu nkoda ye left band no you say things should be normal you join crofo and them krom because that's a long time in a country we were heading towards elections and one year semono and na me ba be kai won no and na me ba be kai we are dealing with science and data we are dealing with science and data and only kasa covid ba ye ya be tibi na me kai the science and data chere say eniema ya accumulate Ghana education Ghana Health Service e be abre chere say we are now coming to live with it, so try to live with the new normal. It will normal wear your nose mask hohonsa frequently use hand sanitizer and no enanado boma yenya the local industries are one kasa e designing nose masks. You bring African nose mask print and then all over the world you washable nose masks. Yes, what you say and you bring nose masks out to me see no what say you should be because no mind you call me surgical ones maybe now short. People got money from this. You read now the alcohol based companies are what Ghana introduce hand sanitizer. We have to say hand sanitizer first that before the no. So no need more. Oko pharmacy out to be taught. Now Addo through the initiative of board the local hand sanitizers. Now hand sanitizers are to stay. Yanko krabio and the hand sanitizer okromo. Factories bebre. I'll mention names Kasapeko Foyebi. I don't go company limited Foyebi. Joy Industries. So many people. And your hand sanitizer. To be coming now your hand sanitizers. Abuama, the local industry, you know, a grow COVID nyansa seme beye ba akodu no. Now ye kaya ho, say refi ye ho, ye kaya ho. Elections time. Elections. Ye janyama gum boya. Say we are living with the COVID. Ye COVID has come to stay. So let's live with it. No problem. We are living with it. Who said we are not living with it? We are living with it. Ghana for some refia me kaimu. Elections. Yankwa what went on. Rally say course. Yankwa he. Ye basi siye. Good. So with the course. This is Ghana for you. This is Ghana for you. Sanya mabise mshana me raho. Now the unfortunate thing that happened is all these elections equal to both political parties in Iran. The MPP, the NDC in Iran. The leaders who were canvassing for the stop of COVID-19 spread, they were the leaders of this campaign. And your supporters, look at the health risk idea who too. You didn't get any political party leader be because COVID is real, so nobody should come out in their numbers. They were rather mobilizing people to come on the street. This is so pathetic. Ghana, we need to know what we are about. I said, now, the current state of your COVID. Now the down kwa Ekufuado, His Excellency. Was he a beer coin school phone call school? Parent idea. Parent idea. Or say clubs, parties, engagement. Now, and some wa me tu hu yaw. Yanko CCA. We question the current update of COVID-19. And someone now will be too jack. Me ba na be chance me. Yanko CCA.
I'm coming into your homes tonight with some rather unpleasant news. When I delivered update number 21 some 2 weeks ago, I urged all of us to continue adhering to the enhanced hygiene and mask wearing protocols that have served us well and which led us to the situation where we were witnessing a gradual decline in the number of active cases. However, since that time, we have seen an upsurge in the number of active cases, from a little over 900 to 1,924. Our COVID-19 treatment centers have gone from having 0 patients to now being 4 because of the upsurge in infections. Particularly worrying is the fact that the Ghana Health Service is recording on the average 200 new cases of COVID infections daily. The number of patients requiring hospitalization and intensive care is rising. The number of severe cases, which stood at 18 a week ago, has increased sharply to 120. 2 weeks ago, there was no critical case. We now have 33 in our treatment facilities. Again, according to statistics from the Ghana Health Service, the considerable number of persons who are severely ill are surprisingly relatively youthful persons with no previous underlying health conditions. The number of confirmed deaths has increased sadly from 338 persons to 352 within the period.
Good. Sure. Me ye wa me di ne pa na me dey be. The same way be fridge. Nanado in his latest update of COVID-19 spread, as he was mentioning a niyama at the rise of COVID-19 by one more the rallies of me. That is the pathetic story ever. Some videos now me share my own. Now, for all video who call wedding no matata so. I saw you call no matata so. Baby abukwa no matata so. And let's spread COVID-19 more. Our president address it. Send it to my link. Send the brand link no follow. Sansa me be fridge. Because I say Ghana for say ya na refi niema. But me program we should never refi na me kwa kofa. Now in a present current update our president he come. Or say now Ghana, there were 16 regions. Now the COVID-19 has spread 13 regions. And bear in mind what the president said in the video. So we have make or say yes, we said them no one share. Sign no oba, pay, sign no oba, sign no oba, sign no oba, sign no oba. The only option we bet to be Ghana for is say if the need arises, near us lockdown, you go to lockdown again. That is the triggering part of it. That is the most triggering part of it. I say, Papa no, the state of COVID-19, the latest update, you know, I don't think say Ghanaians watched it carefully because I say people are sick and tired of the updates. It's Papa ne can't say more. Ghana for my game for so or say, Obama police for. I am forcing the law if the need arises. Oh, video now during elections, you know, a campaign. So majority people all over the country. That's what was going on. And now the latest update of President Demaye, he didn't mention of the elections. Or campaign on me, he didn't mention of it. I don't quite encounter crowd. I say currently. When you know, Commerce uwa. Unu ebusia for ebe o COVID funeral. I'm telling you. President say yen shed them. So won shed them one. Upia. You should know smacks. You should know smacks. Or hand sanitizer. Use it frequently. So for car. Protocols must be observed. But who say your area that the protocol observation goes on. Mekayo. So we feel one. And somewhere midibeshe fridge mu say I'm telling you, I'm not going to be a prophet of doom. But one way you locked down is on the way coming. I'm out of here. Me didn't do for Michael. The boy camera no ejuma mami chamanjo always been chamanjo. The boy my 𝐁omb Jamaica. My chief editor champion Frank. I'm out of here. God bless you.